Types of computers. ICT for beginners. Learn the different types of computers and their uses in everyday life. Welcome back to our ICT series. Have you ever wondered why some computers fit in your pocket while others take up an entire room? In this video, we'll explore the main types of computers, from the smallest to the most powerful. And where they're used, let's get started. Supercomputers. What are they? The fastest and most powerful computers in the world. They can perform billions of calculations per second, used for weather forecasting, space research, nuclear simulations, scientific research. Examples? NASA, IBM Summit, China's Sunway, Tehulite supercomputers are huge and very expensive, used by governments and research institutions. Mainframe computers. What are they? Large and powerful computers used by big organizations. They handle massive amounts of data and can serve hundreds or thousands of users at the same time. Used in banks, airlines, hospitals, government systems, mainframes are built for data processing and reliability. Mini computers. What are they? Smaller than mainframes but still powerful. Used by medium-sized companies for managing business data. Used for inventory systems, department servers. Small enterprise networks. They've become less common today but were widely used before the rise of powerful PCs and cloud computing. Personal computers. What are they? The most common type of computer used by individuals. They come in different forms. Desktops, for home and office, laptops, portable and battery-powered, all-in-one PCS, monitor and CPU in one unit, used for studying, browsing, gaming, working, and more, found in homes, schools, and offices. PCs are powerful enough for most daily tasks. Workstations. What are they? High-performance PCs designed for special tasks like 3D design, animation, or data analysis, used by engineers, architects, graphic designers, scientists. They are more powerful than regular PCs and often used for technical or creative work. 6. Tablets and smartphones. What are they? Mobile computers that fit in your hand. They run on mobile operating systems like Android or iOS, used for communication apps and games, media and social networking, education on the go, while smaller. Smartphones are now very powerful computers in your pocket. Embedded computers. What are they? Special purpose computers built into devices. You don't see them, but they're everywhere. Found in washing machines, ATMs, smart TVs, cars, microwaves. They do one job only, but do it well. Like controlling a washing cycle or adjusting volume. Quick recap, let's review the types of computers. Supercomputers, fastest, used in science and research. Mainframes, for big data and multi-user systems. Mini computers, for medium businesses. Personal computers, desktops and laptops, for everyday use. Workstations, high-powered PCs for professionals, smartphones, and tablets. Mobile computing, embedded systems, built-in computers and machines. Each type has its own purpose, size, and power, but all are part of the digital world we live in. Thanks for watching. Now you know the different types of computers and where they're used. In our next ICT lesson, we'll explore how these computers communicate in a network. So don't miss it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep learning ICT one click at a time. Your ICT teacher, signing off.